Hi everybody, it's Arco Lama, the winemaker at Glen Carlou, and we're going to just show you today how we do our bottling. We're about a week into the World Cup now, but that doesn't mean that the work stops on the farm. So behind the camera today is Bertus, the assistant winemaker, and we're going to explain to you how our bottling machine works. The bottles come packed on pellets ranging between 700 to 900 pellets per bottle. Now the line is pretty noisy, so we're going to actually just follow through the machine quickly, and then we'll just follow one bottle afterwards to see what I've explained and how it works. So follow me inside the machine.
Inside the time machine.
Okay, the bottles get packed onto the conveyor belt, and will then come past this printer here, which prints information on the bottle for us to track what we're bottling. As it runs through, we get to the first stage of the bottling line, and this is called the rinser. The bottle gets caught by the clasp and then gets flipped upside down and then rinsed out with sterile water and air, and then comes round and then ends up at the next station, which is called the de-aeration unit. Now you'll see when the machine runs that it actually draws a vacuum in the bottle, and then we'll fill the bottle up with an inert gas to protect it from oxidation. And then after it comes off this station, we go into the filling carousel, which is a 16-head carousel. It takes a certain amount of time for wine to fill in the bottle, and it depends on the shape and also the speed at what you run. So the bigger the machine, the more heads you have. But with the amount of heads that we have, we can do around 2,500 to 3,000 bottles an hour. So the bottle rotates around this carousel, and by the time it comes to the other side, it is full. Now there's two options. We either bottle with cork or with screw caps, and we're actually now bypassing the cork system, which is the system you'll see moving later, but we are bypassing it to go straight through to the screw capping machine. So this means that it gets transferred from the one conveyor belt through to the next, and this is a separate machine, which is the screw capper, which then, you've got three stages on this. You've got the leveling device that levels off each bottle to the right level. Then you've got the screw cap dispenser, which actually puts a screw cap on the bottle, and then the actual screw capping head, which seals the bottle seals the screw cap onto the bottle. After that, it comes through to where two people will take it off and gets placed into bins, which then later get taken with a forklift to our storage area. So we're just going to follow one bottle now quickly, and everything I'll explain will show again, and hopefully you remember what I've been talking about. Okay, now we're actually going to put the bottle that we're going to follow onto the machine. This is Gribo, who's helping us at the bottling line, because the bottles have to be manually put onto the machine. So I'm going to start up the machine, and once it's running, he'll put the bottle on the carousel, on the conveyor, and we'll follow it through the machine again. Okay, here we go. The other bottle is, like I was saying, comes through onto the machine. Will be turned upside down now. Rinsed off with air. Now it comes to the de-aeration unit. It happens very quickly, and now you'll watch the bottle being filled. All the excess bubbles are removed. Now it's bypassing the corker, we go through to the screw cap machine. There's the leveling device, the cap, and it's put on. And that's it. There you go. You can see the print. The bottle is now finished. Will be labeled in about a month's time, and will be hopefully in the market after that. Right. Good luck to South Africa and Uruguay tonight, and we'll see you next week.